Y'all, I did it. I moved to my new like place to hang out. I'm very excited to just be here, to be in Vegas. I am currently living on an air mattress with plastic forks, paper plates. I'd sell those forever. And we're just on a vibe, you know? Now we are just waiting for movers. It's literally been such a long week. I haven't even been here for a week yet. But it's just been such a long weekend and I have much more to show you guys. But I don't know, do you guys have any like moving hacks? Because like I don't even know when the movers are supposed to come and like I'm running out of clothes. I mean, I have a laundry machine and unit, thank God. At this point, you guys are just gonna come with me. Like, yeah, it's just chaos all the time. So anyway, I'm gonna go do stuff. Okay, bye.